System. So what is system? Most of the people they do complicate actually. System means it's very simple answer. Okay, it has to be simple, no complex, and second part it has to be copied and duplicated from everyone in your organizations or wherever you are selling your product or service there. So make sure same thing has to be done by others also. If it's not happening there, definitely it cannot be a system there. Okay, and it won't run in the long run. Sure. Even if you're as a trainer there, you want to deliver something there, so make sure your training partners also they have to deliver the same thing there actually, copy and duplications. Okay, it has to be implemented there. System, I found one of the biggest difference actually when I understood the system generally, it will not be the person oriented, it will be always process oriented actually. So when you make process oriented system, so it never ever have dependency on the personality, most important. Okay, assume that now if they are having personality dependency means definitely it won't run in the long run. Very important. You see any right now establish a brand right now or establish a service in the market, whatever in the area. Okay, so they are able to build a system with the process, not with the person there actually. So you have to replace the persons with the process only. Means in that process, any persons come, they should make fit into that fraternity. That's it. Okay. And system, while building the system, always it takes again courageous steps, and you have to take care of about each and every action there, because it's going to be duplicate in the long run. Okay, and it is going to lead for generation to generations. That's make very important role. And again, in the repeatable system means whatever you are providing the services or products in the market, it should always add on the values there. So then only you can get the repeat product orders or service order. Okay, so assume that now you have went and you have done one training there actually, so they'll just find the value there, and again that's good, they are going to add the value. For means they'll come back to you and again they'll ask, do you have other area of trainings there actually. That's what you should really understand the importance about that system. Okay, so make sure, so there are two things. One is you can plug into already established systems in the same whatever the area you're dealing with, or maybe you can create your own system. Okay, so whichever suits you, you can choose that one only. So make sure it has to be a repeatable system and it should be followed by everyone. And last, one more thing, important point, it should always, system should not be identity. Okay, so it has to be always like no identity in the system. That's it. Okay, if identity comes. Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, I'm just continuing the last part of this 7 steps of leverage there actually. Hope you are all enjoying the steps, right? So last step, very important, what I can say, LTD, right? Learn, teach and duplications. That's what it stands for. That actually. So now do you remember the first picture where I wrote to understanding about the liver, okay, and understanding about the catalyst there. Say liver works, means leverage works only in presence of the catalyst. If you don't have catalyst there, definitely your liver not going to work there actually. Okay, your leverage may not work there actually. And I wanted to cross check any established right now leverage in the market. They do have their own learning, teachability and duplication system there actually. That's what the process is running right now. Any established leverage income, you take any example. Okay, so that's what actually I wanted to mention here. Catalyst plays very important role. As a catalyst, it is a key instrumental to achieve your leverage there actually. Assume that right now whatever you're dealing right now, the product or service, in that right now you have a system. In that system, can you check it out right now? Do you have the learning model and like duplications and again teachability? Okay, so all three things has to be there actually. If it's missing even one thing, one parameter also, definitely your whole thing missing the rest. Okay, so very important. So make sure catalyst has to be there, like as LTD to get your power of leverage there. Okay, here I'm just concluding this step, like 7 steps of leverage there. Hope it made you some sense of the right. So I wanted to really cross check actually. So whatever the steps is missing, please you can implement there. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll come back to you in the next video. Okay, on the next part sharing actually. So stay tuned. Thank you. Hi, welcome back. Okay, I'm in the part in this video. I'm going to share with you like how we are going to do the leverage. Okay, the power of leverage, how we are going to achieve that actually, and a few examples. Just right now, I'm quoting that so that it can help you to become a power of leverage there. Actually, the first part, suppose if you would like to start any business there, I want you to start with a scratch or maybe very little amount there actually. So that's how you are going to enjoy that power of leverage there actually. Okay, so only that. Key learning is I don't want you to invest whatever your hardcore money is there. I don't want to invest. You have to play the money game with others' money. That's it. And by using other people's talents, skill, and credibility and resources. So that's how you can enjoy that power of leverage. And most important, the social medias, whatever available in the market right now, be it Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So all the social medias, how you are going to effectively utilize to leverage, or maybe sometimes even TV media. Okay, that's what most of the trainers they do utilize in a very effective manner to get leverage income there actually. And borrowing the credibility of all your celebrities or endorsement from endorsement for your products or services. Okay, and selling the products. Okay, whatever you have the product or service, I want you to sell before buy. Okay, or before pay for them. It's very important actually. So here is a message, the Sharon Silver line actually. So if you are making the money, I want you to make from zero or with very little money. Okay. So then only you can enjoy this power of leverage there. Suppose assume that right now if you are not able to make it from nothing means definitely you yourself you cannot do with the money. You cannot do the power of leverage. Suppose assume that you have X amount of money. With that also you cannot achieve the power of leverage there actually. Because it's all mindset game, right? So most important. And if you are already having existed system or employees in your organizations, make sure you are giving the freedom space to express their talents and skill and whatever they are. Okay, leave them the completely the freedom way. So that's what you can get the complete leverage from them actually. Okay, so leverage is managing your time more effectively. Okay, so you are going to do the right things instead of just doing the things. That's it. Okay, very important point. I want you to remember. And leverage is all about the mindset. Okay, and believe me, Umsar, they wanted to enjoy this leverage. Okay, so there are 3 things are needed. Just I'll come back and share in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so the next 3 things what I'm going to share you. So these are very important requirement criteria to achieve your power of leverage there. The first part, why part. Okay, why do you want leverage? Okay, so that's it. It has to be clearly identified that why factor has to be more stronger than rather than the how and what. And the second part, change your mindset. Okay, leverage is about it's about mindset only. What I can say. Okay, so in the right now, whatever you have the mindset, with this mindset you cannot create your leverage what you are expecting. I want you to change the mindset there. Whatever the requirement for this. Okay, and willing to learn. So you should be always in the space willing to learn always the new skills, whatever required for your product and service actually. If you're not learning, what will happen? Maybe sometimes you'll be outdated or maybe you're thrown out from the marketplace actually. Okay. For example, now everybody they're into the social media right now. If you're not learning about Facebook or Instagram, LinkedIn, definitely you're out of the system there. Okay. So that's what the market sometimes whatever it demands, accordingly you're going to learn the new skill there. People who are having all these 3 things, okay, they know why they want leverage. They know they are ready to change their mindset, and they know their what they want to learn to get their leverage there actually. If they are having these 3 things, definitely I've been closely associated with all the millionaires there actually. So really, these are very important factors. Okay, and you are in that process, and you are going. I'm sure you are going to have that leverage for your entire legacy. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay tuned. So next video, I'm just coming and sharing you opportunities calling for you. Okay, get ready, set ready. Thank you.